Hi farms, you're welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can visit all websites on your Chrome browser in dark mode. You can actually access any website on your Chrome browser in dark mode, irrespective of how the website is built. And here's how to go about it. Come to the vertical ellipses on the top right section of your screen, and then click on Settings. Click on Appearance, then click on Theme Colors, and then make sure that you select dark mode. So once you're done, come back to your browser and you'd want to just change this to flags. So basically you'd want to impute Chrome // twice and flags. Then here you'd want to search for dark, and then from the drop down you'd want to enable. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and relaunch your browser. Alright, so the browser has been relaunched and the settings has taken effect. To check, you can visit just about any website, for example. So you can see that whatever website you visit ends will be in dark mode. So that's how to visit any website in dark mode or enforce dark mode on your Chrome browser. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.